We are going to a place with over 1,000 fish tanks. Yes people, it's gonna be crazy, man. We're going to a place called Tropco. They've got like their own website here in the UK, so like you can go to the website and order some fish. I was actually thinking about doing a video about that, but then I realised it's only about an hour and a half away from London, so we decided let's go today. I'm with my mum, by the way. She's kind of mad because I woke up late, but we should still make it on time. Hey bro! Oh, we are nearly there, nearly. Hello buddy. Wow, we already found some fish. A massive pond. Cool, and we are here. Let's walk in and look at that, people. We literally have over 1,000 tanks in here, man. You know, I reckon we should start off on this side. Got some nice discus fish. Oh my days, people, I can't lie, I've never been in a shop with this many tanks before. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you guys every single fish in the store because there's genuinely over 1,000 fish tanks. I mean, I've got more here, there's all rows and rows here. So let's just get started on this first row. We've got some crazy fish here already. Oof, look at these, man. I low-key wanna get some. Oh, they're beautiful. Bichos, because whatever. Oh, got some snails down here as well. Don't watch my reflection. Got a few more bichos, a few more back there, another really cool one here. There, got some goldfish and some coolie loaches. That's mad. Alright, then on this next one, we have some more fish. I will kind of have to go a bit quicker. I'll spend a bit more time with the more unique fish. Is there anything down here? Nah. Got a few plecos in here. Some angels. More tetras. I can't lie, there's so many fish in here, I don't even know what to say, people. Shout out to the person who asked me to come here. Wow, people, so far we've only done this wall. And we still got all of these to go. I think I will start skipping the not so interesting fish. We've got a few gobies up here. We've got a few, I think this one's a gudgeon. Can't even see them. Got a few tetras. Yo, look at the size of this don, fam. You know what, people, I can't lie, I only recently found out that Oscars get this big. I've always wanted some, but I'm gonna need a way bigger tank for that. I've got some cichlids here, a few more down here. Ooh, look at this guy. got a few more here. Some more tetras, more cichlids. Oh, look at this guy. Right, people, that was literally just this one wall so far. Let's go back and start off on this one. Yeah, this tank looks cool, man. I like it when they sometimes have some scaped tanks that gives you an idea of what they would look like at home. People, I can't lie, I haven't been here for long, but my arm is starting to hurt already, man. We've got quite a few of the same here. Ooh, look at these. They're nice. Oh, they're beautiful. And they're big as well. You don't usually see them this big. Oh, and look at these Congo tetras. I might actually have to get one or two. We'll see. But they are lovely colours. Look at them. What else do we have? Oh, and we've got some red lizard whiptails as well. Oh, it's a killifish, I believe. I like these. They kind of look like sharks, but they do get quite big as well. That was the first row. Let's go to the second one now. My arm is already killing me, people. This place is massive, but let's see what they got here. Oh my days, some of these might have to come home with me today. Look at them. Look at that blue. What else do we have? We've got some more tetras here. Danios, I think they are. More tetras. Got some Bozemanis, or Bosemanis. We've got plenty at home though. Ooh, what is this? I think that might be... I'm not sure, but they look cool. And then we still need to do the hole with this side. Right. No, I'm gonna start doing it slightly quicker. I'll spend a bit more time with the more unique fish. But if it's like fish that you see pretty much everywhere, I think we'll just kind of skip through them a bit. There's loads of little fish here and there. Oh, look at these though. They look cool. I think they're gudgeons. Look at that color, yo. People, I can't lie, it is boiling in here as well, man. Got some panda loaches or panda gara loaches. These are really cool, but I'm pretty sure they eat plants. Rotted, my arm is hurting me, people. I did not expect there to be this many tanks in the shop, man. Got a few more nice Bozemanis. They look nice as well, man. I'm really tempted just to buy one or two. Really tempted. Ooh, look at this better. Yo, if I bought him, I'd call him Picasso. But yeah, even though I'm really tempted to buy some of these, we already have enough in the tank. Let's look for something similar. Look at the colour on these. I'm not sure if it's just me, but I swear some of the just normal fish just look really cool here as well, man. My camera's having a really hard time to focus. Don't know why. People, I'm trying to be fairly quick, but at the same time, I want to make sure we get all of these fish, man. We got another Picasso fish there. few more baby Bozeman fish here. Wow, now look at the colour of this beta fish right there. And we found some axolotls. Oh, they're so cool, man. We've got a few more on this side. We've got a few more bichers as well. Bikers, bichers, not sure. I think these are baby snakeheads. Some really nice colours with these guppies. Oh, look at the size of this one. Look at the forehead on this Donny, blood. What are you saying, dog? Nah, he's cool. I really want a pufferfish, man. Probably not these because they get way too big, but definitely been looking at Congo puffers. Wow, look at these shrimp. Looking like a bunch of zombies. Hey bro, what are you saying, dog? We have actually skipped an entire aisle, so I'm gonna check that out in a second. But look at these though. We got this beautiful arowana here. People, I'm really tempted to just buy an arowana for my tank and just try it out. See if it works, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna eat most of my fish. Got some more fish down here. So this is how you would keep crabs. So when I kept them, we definitely done it wrong. Got a few more crabs here. Got some cool plecos. Got crayfish. Oh, look at this beta. Woo. Got some red-tailed cats here. they get absolutely massive, so don't even think about buying them unless you got a massive tank. Got some Synodontus, I think it's Synodontus petricola, I think. We found another one of my goldfish to have one day, which is the piranha. You can see the slightly bigger ones here. They are beautiful. Look at them. Obviously people, it's still going to be a while before we have a piranha tank in that, but we'll see how it goes. Look at that. Oh my days, look at the size of these, man. Raw. Oh my days, look at the size of this Donny. Raw. Okay, I'm definitely buying one of them. 100%. Right, people, I can't lie. I think I've decided I want to take this one home, man. He is absolutely massive. He's going to have to go into the small tank, though, because he'll probably end up as a snack for Lily. But, oh, yeah, you're definitely coming home with us. That is mad. Just trying to decide whether we should get this brownish one, or white one, or maybe one of the darker ones at the back. We got a few more Picassos here. Alright people, we're basically done, man. It is hot. The last thing I'm trying to decide is whether I want to get that shrimp for my big tank as well, because right now the one we got, which is here, yeah, the one we got so far is for the small tank, because yeah, but I do want to try it out. I want to see if we can get a big one and then keep it with the more eel. Not sure if you guys can see, but there are some fish in here. Alright people, hey, the fish farm was lit. It was amazing, man. We got some really cool shrimp and we got some other fish as well. I'll probably unbox them later when we get home for another video, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, this was a tour of the fish farm Tropco, which is in Tunbridge Wells. Make sure you check them out, they're really cool there. They've got over 1,000 tanks, which is crazy. And I can't lie, people, I really enjoy doing these tours. I mean, I've done one before with wholesale tropicals, and if you want to see that video, then click right here.